Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to create a goal in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. If you're new to YNAB, it's a fantastic app that helps you take control of your finances by assigning every dollar a job. Setting goals in YNAB is a game changer because it turns your financial dreams into actionable steps, making budgeting less overwhelming and more motivating. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account on the web or app. Once you're in, navigate to the Budget tab. That's your main hub for managing money. Now, find the category where you want to set a goal. For example, if you're saving for a vacation, click on your Vacation category. In the category details, look for the Goal section. Click Add a Goal, and you'll see options like Monthly Funding, Target by Date, or Debt Payoff. Choose the one that fits your needs. Let's say you pick Monthly Funding. Enter the amount you want to allocate each month, like $200 for that vacation fund. If it's a one-time target, select Target by Date, input the total amount, and set the deadline. YNAB will calculate how much you need to save per month to hit that goal. Once set, YNAB automatically tracks your progress with visual bars and alerts, so you can see how you're doing at a glance. It's super satisfying to watch those bars fill up. One quick tip: review your goals regularly and adjust them if your situation changes, like if you get a bonus or an unexpected expense. That's it. Creating goals in YNAB is straightforward and empowers you to build better financial habits. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more budgeting tips. See you next time.